Welcome to our monthly inspiration hop. Along the way, you're going to see different projects from the design team sharing our brand new October release. If you hop along, leave a comment on each stop and come back to the link that's in the description box. You can enter for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. Along the way, remember to leave lots of love for your creators as they share beautiful projects for you and inspiration. This giveaway will be open for 1 week, and I'll announce the winner on our community tab. Today I'm sharing the Deck the Halls paper pad collection. I did bring in the stamp and die of the month, which is called Vintage Santa, for a sentiment on the inside of the card. I also did bring in a Ho 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 stamp set from our Mini Messages stamp set that will be released on October 15th. This will be part of our quarterly release, and it is a super great stamp set to add a little sentiment to something. Like, I love that I didn't have really room for a sentiment, but I wanted to put something, so I added a little Ho 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 up in the top. Our free with 60 right now is our brand new Pink Christmas sparkling enamel dots. These are really pretty, and they go perfect with our Pink Christmas paper pad collection. You'll probably see that along the way. So for my project today, I followed Letty's tutorial from The Retreat. She is Party Planner Paperie on YouTube, and she did this amazing gift card holder. If you missed our retreat, go back to the retreat video. I believe it was day 2, and she shows you exactly how to make this super cute gift card holder. So I chose to close it up with a belly band. It just slides off. I did decorate the back of it. When you open up your gift card, you get a nice surprise. So that your little gift card will pop up when the recipient opens it, which I love. And you can decorate the inside all pretty. You can decorate the outside. So I love this little project. I hope you'll check it out. I'll have the link to the retreat. I have the playlist for the retreat. Letty's on day 2, and it's a gift card holder class. So I hope you check that out. The beautiful paper, Deck the Halls. I just love the beautiful, bright, vibrant colors in here. And then the coordinating ephemera just makes putting together a project like this so easy and quick. Our Stamp and Die of the Month is super cute this month. There are a few spots left open for this club. If you want to jump in on this club, choose monthly for 18% off, and then you will get your Stamp and Die delivered to you every 30 days from the date you purchased. Same with our Paper Pad Club. You can opt in for the coordinating ephemera. And you could also add multiple clubs to one cart to save on shipping. And then I created a beautiful little treat box. The little candies are going to have to be switched out for some Christmas candy. And I turned this into a card. I followed Julie's tutorial, and I'll have her link in the description box as well. This was super, super fun. So both projects made with the Deck the Halls paper pad collection. So pretty. The links to those products will be in the description box for you as well. I hope you guys have fun on the hop, get lots of inspiration and ideas, and don't forget to come back to the link in the description box to enter officially into the giveaway. And good luck, guys, and thanks for participating. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.